Rodney, I've looked at a lot of cars today at this event, and the paint on your car, not only is the color beautiful, but the paint job itself.
Yeah, it was a lot of work. I do all the work myself, so and I painted it in my garage. So it's just takes a lot of sanding and a lot of work.
So what is the car? Let's tell everybody what it is.
It's a '67 Volvo 1800, and this car I've rebadged it to CV6 because it has a Cadillac engine, and it's a Cadillac Volvo now, 6-cylinder. So
It's absolutely beautiful work. How long did it take you to do it?
2.5 years, and I work full time, so it's a lot of nights.
Are you in the automotive business? What do you do for a day job?
No, I do audio visual.
So the AV club.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, AV. So, and I have some AV in it. It's got a full display rear view mirror with a camera that gives you a lot wider view out the back. So,
Talk us through this.
so the dash, I love the original layout and look, but with a modern engine, you can't use the old instruments. So this is all CAN bus gauges, they're speed height gauges, and I did the whole layout the same, but with all new technology, and I redid all the metal. I had to order that metal, and I drew it all up. And so this is all CAN bus gauges, they're speed height gauges, and I did the whole layout the same, but with all new technology, and I redid all the metal. I had to order that metal, and I drew it all up and had it laser cut so I could put all the gauges in and keep the same look and feel, but modernize it. So a total Restomod.
It is absolutely beautiful. I've seen a lot of these, but none of them look like that. That looks like jewelry to me.
Yeah, I'm really happy with the results. So,
How many cars have you done before?
oh, I don't know, maybe 10 cars, over the years.
Well, I'm wondering, seeing this, why you don't go do this full time.
It's too much work. It'd ruin all the fun if I did it full time.
Right. So what transmission do you have? I see a 6-speed gear shifter there.
Yeah, it's a Tremec 6-speed, the same one they use in the new Camaros. So it's basically, the drivetrain is the same as a Camaro, late model Camaro. The engine came out of a 2016 Cadillac CT6.
So you just went to your local salvage yard and bought an engine?
Yeah, this was the original build prototype for that car, because General Motors builds about 2 cars, 1 to 2 cars on their experimental assembly line, and they test all their programming, their robots, and the assembly procedure, how the wire harnesses go in, everything. So this was out of one of the original build prototypes for that car. So.
Wow, I bet this is a big difference with this horsepower of an engine, that transmission.
Yeah, the gearing and everything really is great, and it loves RPMs. I set the rev limiter at 7,200 RPMs, but it would probably do a lot more. But I don't want to blow it up either. So.
And what rear end do you have in it?
It's a 8.8 Mustang,
Okay.
But it's shortened 10 inches aside, so 20 inches narrower. So.
It's an absolutely beautiful car. These 1800 Volvos, are my favorite Volvos.
Yeah, the styling, the lines in this car are just beautiful. So that's why I built it, because I love the styling on this car. And I modernized it a little bit. I took the chrome off the sides and that. So.
And the wheels are fantastic too.
Yeah, those are actually Mustang wheels. And I took a hole saw and hole sawed out the centers and put Volvo centers in it.
Well, if your average person would never know that, they think they were Volvo one-offs.
Yeah, the horses are gone.
Well, it is a beautiful job, and I'm glad you took the time to talk with us about it.